Topic 1. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway reaches a $1 trillion market valuation, marking a significant milestone for non-tech companies in the US. Berkshire Hathaway, led by Warren Buffett, has reached a $1 trillion market value, a first for a US non-tech company. The company's shares have risen over 28% year-to-date, outperforming the broader market. Buffett, nearing 94, has led Berkshire since 1965, transforming it from a textile company to a diverse empire. Despite selling off major holdings like Apple and Bank of America, Berkshire's cash reserves have grown, largely due to US Treasury bill investments. Buffett's strategy and leadership have been pivotal, with annual returns averaging about 20% under his tenure. Topic 2. Nvidia announces a $50 billion stock buyback amid a slowdown in sales growth, reflecting confidence in its future. Nvidia has announced a $50 billion stock buyback plan alongside better-than-expected quarterly results. Despite this, Nvidia's stock fell by 4%, reflecting concerns over slowing growth. Revenue increased by 122% year-over-year, with net income up by 168%. The company forecasts next quarter's revenue at $32.5 billion, exceeding analysts' expectations of $31.7 billion. Following Nvidia's earnings report, semiconductor stocks in Asia, including suppliers like SK Hynix, Samsung Electronics, TSMC, and Foxconn, saw declines. Other US semiconductor firms, including AMD, also experienced stock drops. European semiconductor companies in the Netherlands, however, saw stock gains. Experts suggest Nvidia's growth is slowing, and it's becoming increasingly difficult to exceed high expectations. Nvidia maintains a strong market position, but satisfying investor expectations is challenging due to high price-to-earnings ratios. Topic 3. China's President Xi Jinping meets with US National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan, indicating high-level diplomatic engagements. Chinese President Xi Jinping expressed hope for finding the right way for China and the US to coexist during a meeting with US National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan. Tensions between the two nations have expanded from trade to finance and technology. Sullivan's visit to China is his first as National Security Advisor and the first since 2016 for someone in that role. Presidents Biden and Xi plan to speak by phone in the coming weeks. Although the US election outcome remains uncertain, both parties share a tough stance on China. Biden has endorsed Vice President Kamala Harris as the Democratic candidate after stepping back from the presidential race. Harris's National Security Advisor Phil Gordon mentioned that the China issue goes beyond Taiwan, emphasizing the need to prevent China from acquiring advanced technology, intelligence, and military capabilities that could challenge the US. Topic 4. Telegram CEO Pavel Durov faces legal challenges in France, highlighting issues of privacy and legal compliance in the tech industry. French prosecutors have preliminarily charged Telegram CEO Pavel Durov for failing to prevent criminal activities on the platform, including child abuse material, drug trafficking, and fraud. He did not cooperate with law enforcement's information requests and was released on a €5 million bail, with conditions to stay in France and report to the police station twice a week. Durov holds citizenship in Russia, France, the UAE, and St. Kitts and Nevis, and claims Telegram complies with EU laws. French President Macron stated that Durov's arrest is not a political move, but part of an independent investigation. Topic 5. Germany reports a surprising drop in inflation to 2%, signaling potential shifts in economic trends. Germany's adjusted consumer price index fell to 2% in August, below analysts' expectations of 2.3%, and down from July's annual adjusted CPI of 2.6%. On a monthly basis, the adjusted CPI decreased by 0.2%. Core inflation, excluding energy and food costs, slightly dropped to 2.8% year-over-year from July's 2.9%, and energy costs decreased by 5.1% annually in August. This data was rel.